Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel King Style. Dear viewers, I hope you all are the fine and doing well. Enjoy the best condition of health. Dear viewers, today in this video I will show you the collection of high heel sandal for women and girls. This type of collection especially for those ladies and women how love to wear such type of beautiful high heel platform thick heel fish mouth sandal. It's very special and amazing collection. You can get some beautiful and latest ideas from my video, so be sure to watch my video till the end and get ideas about latest fashion. So guys, if you want to buy this beautiful collection of beautiful high heel for ladies, so when I will you tell the best website from here. You can buy this beautiful latest collection of latest high heel platform. So friend, telling the best website, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more beautiful ideas about latest fashion, and by press the bell icon you can get all the notification my uploading video. So friend, you can buy this website amazon.com, aliexpress.com and ebay.com. So guys, I always try to be useful with you and connect for you, so do not get to like my video and give me your valuable Facebook. After for watching my video, if you like collection about latest fashion, please share my video with us friend and family member and all social media account. If you like such collection, please subscribe to my YouTube channel King Style. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel King Style. Dear viewers, I hope you all are the fine and doing well. Enjoy the best condition of health. Dear viewers, today in this video I will show you the collection of high heel sandal for women and girls.